Hey everyone! Today Crafty Hacks is bringing you a new special type of food challenge.
Special food challenge? Do you know what it is? Let us know down below. Tell us what it is, Amy.
It's the pregnancy food challenge.
Pregnancy food challenge? What?
And we'll need a special judge, so please welcome Pregnant Lily.
Hi everyone! I'm so excited to be your judge today. All right, Amy and Tony, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes,
I'm always ready.
Okay, for the first challenge, we're gonna be doing appetizer.
Appetizer?
Yes, let the challenge begin.
Yeah! All right, let's start these appetizers.
Okay, I'm gonna make some onion rings.
That's nothing. I'm making bacon. She'll like that so much better.
All right, let's start with some appetizers, guys. All right, now we gotta heat them up.
Lily won't like the onion rings. I'll make her special bacon with super dark chocolate sauce. All right, now we'll dip the bacon. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. This is gonna be so good.
All right, guys, now we're gonna make my special sauce. It's chocolate sauce, strawberry sauce, and relish. Oh my gosh. It smells good. A little bit of chocolate. Now mix it up. Oh, that looks good. All right, let's check on the onion rings.
Oh, this should be enough bacon. Now let's add some powdered sugar. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, you guys won't believe the smell. Now, I'll add some sauce. All right, I finished.
Me too. Let's go show Lily.
Let's go.
All right, Lily, try my appetizer. It's bacon with dark chocolate and powdered sugar.
Okay, try mine. Mine are onion rings with relish, chocolate sauce, and strawberry sauce. I heard pregnant women love onions.
Guys, both of them sound really good. Let me try them. Oh, it looks so good.
How is it, Lily?
Not good.
No, trust me, try mine. How's it taste?
Who wins? Who wins?
It's so good. I really like both of them. Both of you guys gonna play.
Yes, I win.
Wait, we're not done, guys.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
Guys, that was just the appetizers. Now we've got the main course. What? Let the challenge begin.
All right, now let's make the main course for Lily.
All right, I'm gonna make special spaghetti.
I'm gonna make special pizza rolls.
Let's start with my secret sauce. It's chocolate syrup, caramel, marshmallows, chocolate chips, and M&M's.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm making mine with Jell-O and strawberry syrup.
What? That's nasty.
We'll see when Lily tries it. So now I'm gonna add the Jell-O for the sauce. Oh yeah, syrup.
Now pour it on. Oh yeah. And then add some M&M's. And done. Lily's gonna love my spaghetti.
No, she'll love my pizza rolls. They look just like ravioli.
Smell it, smell it.
We'll see.
Okay, let's go. Here's our main course.
Yeah, try it.
Whoa, what is that?
This is pizza rolls with Jell-O and strawberry syrup.
Mine is spaghetti with chocolate syrup, M&M's, and marshmallows.
They look great.
It's good, right?
It's a little too sweet.
Okay, but try mine, try mine.
I really like yours, Amy. Congratulations, you got a point. Yes. I'm sorry, Tony, you don't get any points.
Oh man.
Next round is drinks.
Wow, the next round is gonna be so interesting.
Whoa, that sounds really interesting.
Let the third round begin.
Okay, what drink are you gonna make Lily?
I'm gonna make her some hot tea.
Hot tea? Oh, that's gonna suck. Pregnant women love ice, so I'm gonna make an ice fruit smoothie.
No, they love hot drinks. That's why I'm making Lipton tea with Paul's cough drops. First, I'm gonna add the tea into the cup. And now, the Hall's cough drop. Let's mix that up.
Hey, that smells pretty good.
Yeah, Lily's gonna love this.
I cut out all the lemons. Now, I'm gonna squeeze it out. Whoa, it's super slippery. Now, let's get the banana. Okay, clear this out of the way. Here we go. Yeah. All right, now add all the bananas. Get in there, get in there. Next, add a little bit of ice. And lastly, lemon juice. Oh, perfect. All right, that looks good. Now I have a straw and a lemon. Fancy fruit smoothie. She's gonna love this.
It might look fancy, but she might like my taste better.
Let's go check it out then.
Okay.
Lily, try my drink. It's an iced banana lemon smoothie. It's gonna keep you nice and cool.
Well, mine will help you relax. It's tea with Hall's cough drops.
Try mine.
I'm sorry, Amy. I don't really like hot drinks right now.
Man.
How does it taste?
Oh, it's so sour.
Oh, I forgot the sugar.
Try mine, Lily.
Okay.
How is it, Lily?
It's actually really good. You win this round.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that means I lost again.
Hey, Tony, you still have a chance. The final round is dessert.
Oh, dessert?
Let the challenge begin.
All right, I'm ready for dessert.
Me too.
I'm making a special ice cream sundae.
What?
With pickles, sprinkles, and whipped cream.
That's crazy. I'm gonna use licorice and Nutella.
That's weird too. We'll see who wins.
All right.
All right, so I'm gonna add 1 scoop of ice cream.
That looks super hard to get.
It is. All right, there we go. Now I'll add 1 pickle on top and 3 dollops of whipped cream
That looks so weird.
and sprinkles.
Whoa, are you sure she's gonna like that?
Oh, she will love it. What are you doing with yours?
I got licorice and Nutella. Let's go find out.
Okay.
Whoa, what are
This
these?
is licorice and Nutella dip.
This is a pickle ice cream sundae.
Okay, that sounds interesting. I'll try this first. I like this one. It's like sweet and a little sour.
Wait, Lily, try mine too. It's good, right?
It's kind of boring, Tony. Congratulations, Amy. You got 3 points. Yay! You got 1.
1 point doesn't mean I lost.
Well, you have a chance in the other challenge videos.
Hi,
everyone. Did you guys like our challenge video? Leave a comment down below.
And if you did, remember to subscribe and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!